Hey guys, Jake here with my Bring Back, and today we're going to be going over actually customizing the keyboard that pops up with different text fields. And as you guys know, the more user-friendly that your application is, the better people are going to respond to it, they're going to use it more frequently, etc. And so with this, we are going to just put in some basic labels and then a text field, and then we'll modify it from there. So I've just brought up a simple view-based template where we've got one view, and right now we're in the XIB, the zib, which is your view, and then we're just going to throw over the view of the attributes and also the objects that we're going to place in there. So enable your view up here, and then we're just going to drag and drop a label in there, and then also drag and drop a text field in there. So the label, we just want to define what people are going to actually put in this label. It gives them a little bit of guidance, and in this case we're just going to put phone number. And maybe make this a little bit bigger by dragging that over. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to copy both these and give ourselves another set, and then paste another set and another set, just for demonstration purposes. Here we're just going to put URL, and then maybe mix and miscellaneous. And you'll see what I'm doing here. But as you guys are doing this and preparing your apps, you want to guide them through what they're going to input and make it easy for them. And so this first box here, we've got phone number, which the label it gives them guidance. And then we've got the text field, and that's where they're actually going to tap it with their finger and input the text that you're requesting or that the user needs to put in there. And so with that, as you click there and you've got your view enabled with the attributes to the right, you'll see you can put placeholder text. So in here maybe we'll just put phone number. This is another way you can guide them, etc., just for demonstration purposes. You can align the text, so on and so forth. You can mess with that, font and all that. But what we want to touch base on is this keyboard down here. Right now it's set to default, so that's just going to be your standard ABC keyboard, QWERTY keyboard on the screen. But as you drop in, you'll see we've got several different options that we can use. In this case, we're requesting a phone number, so we want to put the phone pad, and so that gives people, the ability to basically simulate a phone as they're inputting their number. So we're going to set the default keyboard for this text field as phone pad. Now we're going to go down to the second one here. Again, put in URL. We're going to do a mix, so that's going to be probably your default in most cases. I'm going to put in an email address just so you guys can see, and then miscellaneous. Miscellaneous, we'll just put numbers and punctuation so you guys can see kind of what we're doing and where we're going with it. Again, you can see the customization options with the text field. We've got our placeholder text here, and that's another way if we didn't want to utilize a label, we could just put a placeholder text which gives guidance there. So let's go ahead and run the application and see where we're at and what using a keyboard actually does for us. As that loads, I'm going to blow it up for you guys. And then just go ahead and click into your first phone number tab. And as you can see, we've got the number pad, which gives them easy access to put in their phone number, and then click return, and that goes away, or drop the keyboard down. Again, URL. With URL, the nice thing with URL keyboard is it's going to have the .com, and that helps them move through your options a little bit quicker. And then go down to the mixed. You can see we've got an @ symbol for an email address. We standardize that as the email address, so they can click @ and that kind of helps with moving through it. And then the final keyboard here, which is numbers and symbols. Again, it's got a little bit more user functions and guides our users into what we need for an easy to use keyboard that pops up and displays. So that's what kind of this tutorial is simplifying the keyboard option and moving forward. Next tutorials we're going to be going through actually how do we drop that keyboard down. Usually we should be able to click on the screen somewhere and the keyboard can go away, or after we're done editing we should have it go away. After they click return, we need to have that go away so it's not a hindrance to the actual user having to click this bottom right drop down. So Hope you liked the tutorial. Again, subscribe. Let us know what you're looking for in apps, and we'll try to help you out with those. Alright, peace out, guys.